So how can you upload a YouTube short longer than 60 seconds? This is what I will tell you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Starting October 15th, 2024, YouTube has changed the video length of YouTube shorts. Now you can upload the shorts longer than 60 seconds, but they have to be less than 3 minutes. So 3 minutes are 180 seconds. So you just have to make sure that the video length is 179 seconds. It is just a second less than 3 minutes. Otherwise, all the other specs of the shorts are same. Meaning by that, you have to make sure that your video is in a vertical format. If you regularly upload the shorts, then you would know that even the Facebook video format, which is 1:1 ratio, is also considered as a short. Like I have just changed the size of my video. Previously it was 9:16 and now it is 1:1. So if it is in a box formation or vertical format, and if its size is less than 3 minutes, then it is a short. So there is no other science. You can upload the video from your mobile also, and you can upload a short from your desktop PC, just like you were previously uploading a normal video or a short video. After you upload, you just have to give the title, description, tags, and in the start the YouTube said that you can upload a video with the hashtag shorts or hashtag YouTube shorts. Nowadays it is not required. If you add it, it will probably help in SEO, but I'm not very sure.